All right, all you space cadets out there, Brian here, and today we're going to go ahead and we're going to smoke some salsa. And I made all the ingredients. I smoked all the ingredients. I made the salsa, and I did about I don't know, 3.5 jars of this. And I told my buddy, I said, hey, I'm going to save you some. I said, Taylor, I'm going to save you some salsa. Bring it to you. And this is it. This is the last jar. And secret between us, it's I ran out of chips, so I'm gonna give him this jar. This one's for you, Taylor. Talk to you guys soon.
Okay, and we're gonna add 1 big red onion, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 yellow peppers, 1 large pasilla, and 4 large juicy tomatoes, and a couple serranos for a kick. And we're also gonna chop up 2 cups of cilantro and 2 limes. The juice of 2 limes. And then you're gonna add salt to taste. All right, so we have the Traeger already going. It's at 165. We've been running for about 15 minutes to get a nice even heat all the way around. Good smoke, not that char. And then we're going to use the super smoke setting to give us some really good flavor. We're going to do this for about 2 hours. So let's go ahead and put these on the grill. And this area of the grill is just a little bit hotter as the heat comes up and it dissipates. That's right where I'm going to set the peppers. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. So again, we're going to set that in there for the super smoke at 165 for 2 hours. And the chips we're using right now is the signature blend from Traeger. All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's take a look and see what we got. Oh yeah, peppers are coming out really good. I'm going to let them actually cool off before I start chopping them so that they don't just start bending. I want a nice clean chop out of them, but I think this is looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and close this down and take them off the grill, let them cool off before I chop them.